What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video gonna be unboxing one of the best TP-Link routers for cost effective and cost benefit, the TP-Link Archer C50 dual band wireless AC router. This is one of the cheapest routers that you can purchase, especially in the case that you are outside of America. And TP-Link, it's my personal favorite routers company. It has a strong reaching Wi-Fi. It has two bands, as the name suggests, the 2.4 and the 50, the 5 gigahertz. It supports smooth 4K streaming, have 4 external antennas to provide a stable wireless connection, has an easy network management and setup. There's a manual inside the box and you can read it to set it up. It's really simple and fast process, by the way. You have a couple of entrances outside of this, so you can router or extend your cable connection in the case that you want, so you can use as a router or a repeater. It have a good performance. This is the second one that I'm purchasing for my father because I like the first one, and once it's a very big house they need two. And it is. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!